Bird flew high into the air. Such grace riding the energy waves. Wingspan, feathery flight, fluffy strength. From birds of prey to garden dwellers. Dawn chorus to evening song. Bird flu caused by man's greed.
H5N1 chickenpox atom bomb.
An illness of unhealthy farming practices.
Chickenpox atom bomb.
Crammed together, sitting in their own poo. Cheap feed used, chickens and turkeys being abused. We are the problem. We want cheap meat.
H5N1 chickenpox atom bomb. H5N1 chickenpox.
I hope this disease can be stopped.
The wild birds, as they flew, could kill us with their poo.
Birds wiped out like cattle.
Instead of deserted fields, empty skies.
Rodents and insects will multiply.
No wild birds will fly.
No feeding the ducks.
Or collecting feathers. Bird flu.
Bird flu.
Bird flu in the sky. We are the problem. We want cheap meat.
Bird flu. I hope the birds will fly.